Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve CWSA practice problem number 1.4. I have added voiceover so that you will find it easy to follow along. I am choosing the front plane. Make a circle of diameter 0.45 inches. Make sure you have all the dimensions in inches. Now go to Features and select Extrude Base. Enter a value of 0.45 inches. Make sure to reverse the direction we want our first circle at the frontmost. Now select the frontmost flat face of our cylinder that we had just formed. Click Sketch option. Now select Polygon and make number of faces equals to 6. Start the polygon from center. Now click on Smart Dimensions, and then select the top and bottom edges of the hexagon. Make it 0.25 inches. Now go to Features and then select Extrude Cut. Make an extruded cut of depth 0.3 inches. Now left-click on the back flat face of our cylinder. Click Sketch. Now select Ellipse and make an ellipse from the center. Keep the minor axis greater than the diameter of our cylinder. Make the minor axis equals to 0.5 inches. Now make the major axis equals to 1.6 inches. Now make two circles on both the sides. The circles must be horizontal to the central circle. Using Smart Dimensions, set the distance between the ellipse point and the center if the small circles as 0.175 inches. Now set the diameter of the smaller circles as 0.125 inches. Now go to Features and select Extrude Base Boss. Enter the parameters as 0.15 inches. Press Ctrl+8 on your keyboard to view isometric view. Ensure that our isometric view is same as mentioned in the practice problem. To view the volume, go into the Evaluate tab and then select Mass Properties. Here you can see the volume of our 3D part, but the volume is given in up to 2 decimals places. To fix this, go to Options and set the decimal count to 3. Then check the volume again if it is correct or not. The volume here is exactly the same as ours.